In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize the Salesforce platform to import data into your system. To start off, open your browser and head over to the main page. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your launchpad for all the features Salesforce has to offer. Next, we're going to focus on customizing our setup. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings area. Give it a click to open up a menu where you'll find a variety of options to tailor Salesforce to your needs. Look for an option labeled Open Advanced Setup and then click on it. This will take you to a more detailed settings page, providing you with the tools needed for the subsequent steps. Navigate to the search bar within that settings area and type in Data Import Wizard. As you start typing, you'll notice suggestions pop up. Make sure to select Data Import Wizard from the list. This tool is central to our task today as it allows you to bring new data into Salesforce seamlessly. With the Data Import Wizard page open, locate and click on Import My Data. This will trigger the setup of a new import process. As you're guided through the steps, you'll come across a prompt to click on Start. Go ahead and do just that to begin your data import journey. Now comes the decision point about what you want to import. This could be anything from leads, contacts, accounts, and beyond, depending on what aligns with your business goals. Select the appropriate option for your data needs. Once you've chosen, proceed by clicking Next. At this stage, you will select the specific data to import. For this example, let's say you're importing leads. Having chosen your leads, it's time to proceed by clicking Next once more. Now, it's important to ensure that your data file is ready for upload. You're going to indicate that you have a CSV file by clicking on the option labeled I have a CSV file. After this, click Next to proceed to the file upload process. Find the button that says Upload Files and click it to browse your computer for the CSV file you've prepared. Select your file and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, click Next to continue with the import. With everything set up, the system is just waiting for your go-ahead. Click Import to start moving the data into Salesforce. This will transfer the data and begin the integration into the existing database. Lastly, if there's any data you decide you don't want to keep, you will have the option to click Discard to remove unwanted information. And when you wrap up the entire process, simply click Done and your data should now be successfully imported into Salesforce. With these steps, you should be able to seamlessly integrate new data into your Salesforce system. Thank you for tuning in and happy data importing.